Welcome to Everyday English. Household chores vocabulary. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore essential household chores vocabulary. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and master these essential daily use words as we delve into the lessons ahead.
Sweep. She will sweep the floors later today. Mop. Please mop the kitchen floor after dinner. Vacuum. We need to vacuum the carpets this weekend. Dust. Don't forget to dust the bookshelves. Wash. I'll wash the dishes if you dry the. Dry. Hang the clothes outside to dry. Iron. I have to iron my work shirts. Laundry. I have a lot of laundry to do today. Grocery shopping. Let's make a grocery shopping list. Trash. Take out the trash before it smells. Broom. Use the broom to sweep the porch. Sponge. Grab a sponge to clean the counters. Wipe. Please wipe down the kitchen table. Fire extinguisher. Know where the fire extinguisher is. Screwdriver. I need a screwdriver to fix this. Duct tape. Duct tape can fix many things. Lint roller. Use the lint roller on your clothes. Rug. We have a beautiful rug in the living room. Towel rack. Hang your wet towels on the towel rack. Soap dish. Put the soap back on the soap dish. Lawnmower. Use the lawnmower to trim the grass. Bucket. Fill the bucket for mopping. Make the bed. It's time to make the bed. Set the table. Can you help me set the table? Organize the closet. Let's organize the closet today. Rake the leaves. It's time to rake the leaves in the yard. Wash the car. We need to wash the car this weekend. Sweep the garage. The garage needs sweeping. Feed the dog. Please don't forget to feed the dog before you leave for work. Scrub the bathroom tiles. Scrub the bathroom tiles clean. Clean the refrigerator. It's time to clean the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.